Running fast isn't just about logging miles. It's about optimizing every aspect of your training. To really improve your speed, you need to work smarter, not just harder. This means incorporating specific techniques and exercises into your routine. That's where running drills come in. These drills are designed to enhance your running mechanics and efficiency. They're like the secret sauce that can take your running to the next level. By focusing on form and technique, you can make significant improvements. Think of them as exercises that fine-tune your running form, making you more efficient and powerful with every stride. Each drill targets specific aspects of your running mechanics. These drills aren't about endurance. They're about improving your technique and building strength in key muscle groups. This helps you run faster and with more power. We're going to dive into 3 specific drills: A skips, B skips, and C skips. Each of these drills has unique benefits that can revolutionize your running. A skips help you develop knee lift and coordination. B skips focus on extending your stride and improving your hip flexor strength. C skips are great for enhancing your overall running rhythm and timing. Together, these drills can make a huge difference in your performance. Get ready to unleash your inner speed demon. These drills are super effective and can be done almost anywhere. They help you improve your stride length and frequency, which translates to faster running times. Consistent practice of these drills will lead to noticeable improvements. Plus, they build strength and power in your legs, making you a more explosive runner. This added strength can help you maintain your speed over longer distances. Incorporating these drills into your regular training routine can also help prevent injuries by strengthening the muscles and improving your running form. So, whether you're a seasoned runner or just starting out, these drills can help you achieve your speed goals. Remember, it's not just about running more, it's about running smarter. Embrace these drills and watch your speed and performance soar. Your secret weapon for speed is now in your hands. Let's get started. The A, B, and C skips weren't just invented overnight, they are the result of years of innovation and dedication to the sport of sprinting. They have a cool history thanks to a Polish coach named Gerard Mach. Mach was not just any coach, he was a visionary who saw the potential in every athlete he trained. Mach was a sprint coach who needed a way to keep his athletes in top shape during the long, cold winters. Winters in Poland can be harsh, and traditional outdoor training was often impossible. He knew they couldn't just sit around and lose their edge. He understood that maintaining peak physical condition was crucial, even when the weather was less than ideal. Mach was a true innovator. He didn't let the cold weather stop him. Instead, he saw it as an opportunity to develop new training methods. He developed these skip variations to mimic the movements of sprinting, but in a way that could be done indoors or in small spaces. This was revolutionary because it allowed athletes to continue their training without interruption. And guess what? They worked wonders. The athletes not only maintained their fitness levels but also improved their performance. His athletes came out of the winter months stronger and faster than ever before. This was a game changer in the world of sprinting. The A, B, and C skips became a staple in their training, and now runners of all levels can benefit from Mach's ingenuity. These skips are now a fundamental part of sprint training programs worldwide, helping athletes improve their form, strength, and speed. The A skip focuses on high knee lifts, the B skip emphasizes the extension of the leg, and the C skip combines both movements for a comprehensive workout. Each skip targets different muscle groups and enhances coordination. Whether you're training indoors during the winter or outdoors in the summer, these skips are versatile and effective. They can be adapted to any training environment, making them an essential tool for athletes everywhere. Thanks to Gerard Mach's innovative spirit, athletes today have a powerful method to stay in peak condition year-round. The legacy of the A, B, and C skips continues to inspire and elevate the performance of runners around the globe. Let's start with the foundation, the A skip. This drill is all about those high knees. Imagine yourself as a puppet with your strings being pulled upwards. As you skip, focus on driving your knee up towards your chest with each step. But here's the key. It's not just about how high your knee goes. It's about the force you generate. Think explosion. You want to feel those hip flexors and quads working hard. A skip strengthens these crucial muscle groups, which are responsible for propelling you forward with each stride. Stronger hip flexors and quads equal a more powerful and efficient stride. Now let's groove into the B skip. This drill is all about finding your rhythm and coordination. It's like the A skip's cooler, more coordinated cousin. You're still driving that knee up, But this time, you're adding a little flick of the foot at the bottom of the skip. Imagine you're lightly kicking a ball with the bottom of your foot as you bring your leg down. This flick helps you develop a faster leg turnover, which is essential for increasing your stride frequency. These skips also improve your ankle flexibility and coordination, making your stride smoother and more efficient. Section 5 C Skips, Unleashing Your Inner Sprinter. Get ready to unleash your inner speed demon with the C Skip. This drill is the closest you'll get to sprinting without actually sprinting. It's like the A and B skips had a baby, and that baby is fast. With C skips, you're combining the high knee drive of the A skip with the foot flick of the B skip, but you're also adding a forward lean and powerful arm drive. This drill is all about explosiveness and speed. It strengthens your glutes and hamstrings, those powerhouse muscles that give you that extra push with each stride. Section 6. Perfecting your skips, tips and tricks. Now that you know the what, let's talk about the how. Understanding the mechanics is just the beginning. Execution is key. Here are some tips to make sure you're getting the most out of your A, B, and C skips. Stay relaxed. Don't tense up. Tension can lead to inefficiency and even injury. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your core engaged. This helps maintain balance and control. Focus on form. Quality over quantity, always. Each movement should be deliberate and precise. It's better to do a few reps with perfect form than a bunch of sloppy ones. Listen to your body. Your body gives you signals. It's important to heed them. If you're feeling any pain, stop and rest. Don't push through it. Pain is a sign that something might be wrong. It's better to take a break and assess than to risk injury. Remember, practice makes perfect, or at least progress. Consistency is key. The more you practice, the more natural the movements will become. The more you do these drills, the better your form will become and the faster you'll be on your way to crushing your running goals. Consistent practice not only improves form but also builds muscle memory, making each movement more efficient over time. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate your progress. Every step forward is a step towards your ultimate running potential. Keep pushing, stay focused, and enjoy the journey of becoming a better runner. Section 7. Avoiding common skipping mistakes. Even the best runners can fall into bad habits. Here are some common mistakes to avoid when doing your A, B, and C skips heels too high. Don't let your heels come up too high towards your glutes. This can put unnecessary stress on your hamstrings. Leaning back. Resist the urge to lean back. Keep your core engaged and maintain a slight forward lean. Overstriding. Focus on quick, short steps rather than long, exaggerated ones. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll ensure that you're getting the most out of your drills and reducing your risk of injury. Section 8. Integrating skips into your running routine. So how do you actually incorporate these magical skips into your training? It's easier than you might think. Warm-up skips are a great way to activate your muscles before a run. Do a few sets of each skip for about 20 to 30 meters. Workouts. Incorporate skips into your interval training. For example, do a set of A skips, followed by a 400-meter repeat, then repeat with B and C skips. Cool down. Skips can also be used as part of your cool down to help loosen up your muscles. Experiment with different ways to integrate skips into your training and find what works best for you. Section 9. Listen to your body. Remember, running is not a one-size-fits-all sport. Pay attention to your body and how it responds to these drills. If you're new to running or recovering from an injury, start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your skip drills. It's always a good idea to consult with a coach or physical therapist if you have any concerns or pre-existing conditions. They can help you determine the best approach for your individual needs and goals. Section 10. Skipping your way to success. A, B, and C skips might seem like small changes to your routine, but trust me, they can make a world of difference. These drills are like the hidden gems of the running world, waiting to be discovered and utilized for maximum speed and efficiency. So what are you waiting for? Add these skips to your training regimen and watch your running times plummet. Section 11. The Power of Skips. Unleash your running potential. The beauty of A, B, and C skips lies in their simplicity and effectiveness. They require no fancy equipment or gym memberships, just a little bit of space and a willingness to put in the effort. By incorporating these drills into your training, you're not just improving your running form and speed, you're unlocking your body's full potential. You're becoming a more powerful, efficient, and confident runner. So, embrace the power of skips and watch your running dreams take flight.